Hi guys, I'm Haley and I'm with Best Exterminating, and I'm here to talk to you about the ZingZap Mosquito Magnet Trap. It's a scientifically proven dual action system, so it's not your average mosquito trap. So this actually has two different ways that it's going to attract mosquitoes. So first of all, we have the lure, which is going to mimic the scent of human sweat, which attracts mosquitoes, and it's going to be magnetic. We also have the blue light wavelength, which is going to attract them from all sides, whether indoor or out. So once they're lured inside, we actually have a fan in here, and it's silent. You can't hear it. It's not going to bother anybody. What it does is it's actually going to suck them down and stick them down onto a sticky plate, so they can only have one way in and no way out. The trap also has an intelligent auto mode, so with just one tap, it's going to activate the light sensors inside. So it automatically powers the trap on at dusk when mosquitoes are most active, and it's going to power itself off at dawn just to save energy. So as a licensed pest professional and a pet owner, this is going to be safe for all of your pets. No whiskers getting stuck in sticky pads. You're not going to have any crazy chemicals to think about because everything's pet safe and all natural and pet and kid friendly. The ZingZap Mosquito Trap overall is going to be the best way to have a mosquito-free life where it's easy, safe, and effective.